1,000,000 pesos kung galit na cobra ang lilipstikan mo. Go.
I believe, yes. Tatanggapin ko ang 1,000,000
Wait,
offer
wait,
kung
wait,
galit na
wait,
sobra ang
wait.
lipstikan ko. Because as a part of LGBT and as a breadwinner of my family, I am willing to sacrifice in order for me to give the better life that they deserve. Lagi nating tatandaan that we have our own purpose in this world. And that's going to be how I make or to be a beneficial to other people. Regardless kung ahas yan, leon o tigre o kung ano pa man, gagawin ko alang-ala sa pamilya ko. And I thank you.
Elvis, kagandahan!
Thank you, candidate number 2. At ngayon naman, tawagin na natin si candidate number 3.
Ibang lakad.
Yes.
May
Tapos,
bounce.
anong reaction mo sa sagot ni number 2? Pabor ka ba sa sinabi niya? Maganda rin sagot niya.
Yan na lang.